And we go now to that story by Sandy Williams, where there's concern this evening about a new housing development in Portmore, St. Catherine that could further compound traffic congestion in the Sunshine City. The latest meeting of the Municipal Cooperation Infrastructure and the Traffic Committee saw councillors exchange heated words over the issue.
This shaky man. You know the belly. I may come from country. You have guts and nobody else.
Councillors at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation meeting caught up in a war of words. At the center of their contention, concerns about the exit and entrance of a housing development near Municipal Boulevard in Portmore. The developer, Chemtech Development and Construction, has built a bridge which connects the scheme to the roadway.
It looks as if this will be the main entrance and exit, or one of the main entrance and exit to enter that scheme. And the people of Portmore that sent me here this morning, Chairman, they're extremely concerned.
Concerned because Portmore has always had challenges with traffic congestion, especially during peak hours. Councillors fear this will further compound the problem.
That we don't want to be trapped in our community and we can't go backwards or forward, and if there's an emergency, Chairman, the police, the fire brigade, the regular person can't leave, exit or enter into Portmore. Please, while we're doing the housing development, let the infrastructural development either follow or go ahead, but we won't take the words medium term or long term. We're not taking that. We were conned in the earlier Portmore and we won't be conned again. But in the short term, because that's down the road, in the short term they're supposed to just widen the Municipal Boulevard to have a right turn lane onto that road. Yes. And I'm not sure if it will be signalized in the short term, but long term we're going to widen to 4 lanes with the right turn lane, as I was saying. Yes. And then that internal road would have 4 lanes as well, and it would definitely be signalized at that time. It would actually, we're proposing right now, I don't know if you know what's called a Florida T intersection. No. A good example is 9th Avenue, Marcus Garvey Drive. And you're going to downtown, you don't have to stop. That's what we want to do. So persons going into Portmore, when they get to that intersection, they wouldn't have to stop.
In the end, an apology.
I just want to apologize if I've offended any of my colleagues in the statement that I have said. Yes. I categorically withdraw, and for the harmony and the good order of our municipality, I sincerely apologize.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.